Just FYI, no 3D printing today. But since I'm gonna break something and then make something, I figured, it fits with the title of the channel. Also, it's my channel and it doesn't make any difference because, YouTube is probably gonna kill this video anyway, so let's get to it. So a while back, I came across the site called Xreart, and they have this awesome array of these frames displaying exploded electronics like old iPhones and Game Boys. And I absolutely love them. I remember when I was a kid, my sister had bought me this transparent kind of cassette player just so I don't have to open it to see what's inside. So I got in touch with them and they agreed to send me sort of like a kit, which is the frame, which is in here. And also they sent me the tools. And I got myself like a cheap broken Game Boy, which I found off eBay, which cost me like 20 euros. For those wondering, this does not work. I'm not going to say it's beyond repair, but if you do want to see me attempt repairing something broken, just let me know in the comments. Maybe we can, experiment, get something off eBay and see if I can make it work. Anyway, enough about talking. This is the Game Boy. We're going to re-break. And this is the frame. Now there's perspex on top. There's like a wooden frame. And then there's this, like the display paper with, prints and where all the things go. They explain what they are. The good thing about Xreart is you can actually download the PDF files to print these yourself. So if you have some time and some materials, maybe you also have like a broken Game Boy or something, you can actually do one yourself for almost next to nothing. But yeah, I'm going to start taking this Game Boy apart, and then we're just going to start putting it together. And there you go. I honestly, I absolutely love this. It feels nostalgic. It's awesome. I love these displays, like exploded views. And as I said, I don't normally do stuff like this on the channel, but I mean, I broke something and I made something and it's there in the channel name. So yeah, success. Now, as I said, this is a precursor for an idea I got as soon as I saw this. So this gave me a clue of how everything should go. But now I'm on the hunt on eBay. I'm looking for some job lots of old iPhones and maybe game consoles, because I have an awesome idea which will involve 3D printing, my new CO2 laser cutter, possibly CNC, I don't know. But I have this idea and it's going to happen. In the meantime, if you want to check out these guys, I'm going to leave a link in the video description below. It is an affiliate link, so if you purchase anything from them, I get a bit of a kickback. And yeah, hopefully you enjoy this. And as I said before, if you would like me to try, and this would be interesting even for me, if you'd like me to try to get a job lot of old Game Boys that do not work, and maybe try and get at least one of them to work by, you know, moving things around, let me know. It'll be interesting. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and as always, happy making, guys.